In the world of hospitality, the first impression begins the moment your guest opens the door. Is your hotel room telling a story of luxury, comfort, and durability? Welcome to Kellso UAE, the leading hospitality furniture manufacturer and supplier in the Emirates. Our hotel room furniture collection is designed to transform guest rooms into private sanctuaries. From bespoke bed sets and elegant headboards to functional wardrobes and stylish nightstands, we provide everything you need for a turnkey solution. It's not just about the wood and metal. We offer premium hotel linens, blackout curtains, and even outdoor poolside loungers to ensure a cohesive look throughout your property. Why do top hotels across the UAE trust Kellso? Unmatched customization. We bring your unique vision to life with over 500 bespoke designs. Built for the region, our furniture is crafted to withstand the UAE climate and high-traffic hotel environments. End-to-end service, from initial design and space planning to professional installation and after-sales support. Ready to elevate your hotel's ambiance? Our experts are ready to assist you with a free quote and a personalized catalog. Contact Kellso UAE today. Office 501, Al Azmawi Building, DIP 1, Dubai. Showroom, Al Quaz Area 3, Sheikh Zayed Road, Dubai. Phone, +971 50 189 0082 or +971 50 107 9124. Email info@kellsouae.com. Website www.kellsouae.com. If you enjoyed this tour of our latest collection, don't forget to like this video and share it with your industry colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on hospitality trends and interior design solutions in the UAE. Kellso UAE, crafting excellence in every piece.